Imagine strapping on a futuristic headset that feels like it's barely there after hours of use. That's the revolutionary comfort Apple's new dual knit band brings to the Vision Pro. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this accessory finally make extended VR sessions a breeze, or is it just another pricey gadget chasing perfection? Let's dive into my first-hand experiences and explore why this band might just redefine how we think about wearable tech. Just a tiny half-notch tweak on the adjustment dial of either strap on the dual knit band instantly shifts how the Apple Vision Pro's weight is spread across your head. For beginners new to this tech, think of it like fine-tuning the balance on a backpack, except this directly impacts your comfort while immersed in virtual worlds. That subtle change makes all the difference, redistributing the device's heft in ways that feel natural and supportive. I quickly said goodbye to the solo knit band that came with my original Vision Pro once I tried the dual loop band, and now the dual knit has taken its place. The solo knit relied on a netting pattern that mostly hugged the back of my head, but the dual knit offers a broader distribution, cupping the weight across both the top and back. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a game changer that made my decision crystal clear. I'm sticking with this setup forever. Switching away from the solo felt like a loss, though, because its dial rotated smoothly, with the netting providing a snug, secure grip on the back of the head. In contrast, the dual loop band requires unlatching each strap and pulling to adjust, which feels clunky and not at all in line with Apple's sleek design ethos. It's frustratingly hard to nail that perfect fit, and those thin straps carry a heavy load across your scalp, lacking the balanced, cupped sensation from the sturdy back straps on other headset models. And this is the part most people miss, how posture plays a huge role in comfort. When I began writing this piece using the Mac Virtual Display with the dual knit band, I was sitting straight up. But after about an hour of juggling tasks between Mac apps, messages, and more, I reclined on the couch, propped a pillow behind my head, and adjusted my virtual screen higher. By shifting more of the headset's weight onto the rear netting of the back strap, a ton of discomfort vanished, literally melting into the pillow. It's like discovering a secret ergonomic hack that turns a potential chore into something effortless. Apple tailors the dual knit band based on a scan of your head shape, recommending a size. I got the large. The netting on both straps has plenty of slack for tweaks, allowing them to settle in varied spots on your head before tightening. This flexibility means you can adapt for different positions, like lounging in bed or leaning back in a chair against something soft, with just a small dial turn making things noticeably more comfortable. For those unfamiliar with the Apple Vision Pro, it's remarkably close to the self-adjusting clothes from Back to the Future Part 2. Sure, it costs a hefty $3,500, but that's partly due to its smart fitting tech. Press a button when you first put it on, and the lenses mechanically align precisely in front of each eye, just like Marty McFly's auto-lacing sneakers in the movie. After that initial magic, you're in control within the headset. Rotate the main dial to blend physical and virtual realities, then use the dual knit second dial for strap adjustments. To switch to the top strap, pull the dial out gently and turn it. It's reminiscent of the iPod click wheel, but instead of navigating menus, each click redistributes the weight of this face computer across your head in fresh ways. Slipping on the Vision Pro with a well-adjusted dual knit band evokes the ease of putting on a perfectly fitted baseball cap. I say that cautiously, because many hats give me headaches after 45 minutes due to their tight band around the entire head circumference. Cheap hats often have one setting too loose and the next too snug, at least for me. With the dual knit band, though, the weight spreads over a cupped area at the back and a broad net across the top, gently lifting the headset slightly off your face compared to other Vision Pro straps I've tested. There's some mild pressure on the sides, but far less than a poorly fitted hat might exert. I've logged 6 straight hours in this dual knit band on my test M5 Vision Pro, and the discomfort was minimal, a far cry from my usual sessions over nearly 2 years with the device. It wasn't a grind like it often is with the dual loop band. In fact, I've gone ahead and bought a separate dual knit band to swap onto my original M2 Vision Pro from launch. I'll pick it up this week and install it, and I seriously doubt I'll ever go back to the dual loop. Soon, this M5 headset and its dual knit band will be in the hands of our hardware expert David Heaney for his take. We'll host a live VR chat on Thursday, and keep an eye out for David's detailed review of the new Vision Pro on uploadvr.com in November. But let's stir the pot a bit. Is this band the ergonomic breakthrough Apple fans have been waiting for, or just an overpriced upgrade that doesn't justify ditching what works for you? And here's a controversial twist. Could the focus on comfort distract from bigger issues like the headset's overall cost or accessibility? Do you agree that balanced weight distribution trumps convenience in strap adjustments, or am I missing something? Share your opinions in the comments. I'd love to hear your side.